So we got another sponsor from LasfitLiners. They sent me some floor mats, and let's unbox them and check them out. Alright, let's go put them on. So before I had the Husky liners, but we don't need them anymore, so I've had them for like 2 or 3 years, so we don't need them. These ones look way nicer too. Alright, let's go put the passenger side on. Alright, they look perfect, better than the Husky. So if you guys want any, I'll put a link down in the description. Go check them out. I'll see if I can get a discount code for you guys as well. But here they are. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys.